What's up, car people? So today, instead of a normal 5 things list, which I do a lot of, I'm going to be doing a double 5 things list. But mostly what I'm here to talk about is soon, and by soon I mean later this week, it will be Black Friday or Hot Friday or whatever you want to call it, the shopping frenzy day of the year right after Thanksgiving, when everyone in the United States goes insane and tramples each other to spread cheer and goodwill. So I thought I would do a short little video about buying presents for car guys. The reason why is it seems that non-car people a lot of times have a hard time figuring out what to buy car guys as gifts. And a lot of times we get the same 2 or 3 things over and over again. So first I'm going to give you a couple don'ts. And so this is not for car people right now. You guys go get whoever shops for you, bring them in and have them watch this portion of the video. So, first of all, stay out of the as seen on TV section. That stuff doesn't work. Those little wrenches and weird little doodads that they have in the as seen on TV section are usually not good for much of anything and usually just wind up thrown in a drawer and never used again. So stay away from those. Second of all, watch out for those multi-tools that we already probably have 17 of laying somewhere. But what kind of things would be good for people who are into cars? I have a few to consider. One, if you remember the review I did on the portable lithium-ion jump starter, that is a killer gift for anyone who's into cars. It is a great thing just to keep around, to keep in your car. And even if you already have one, most of us have more than one car. It wouldn't hurt to have a couple and keep one in each car. Number 2, if you don't already have it, a Bluetooth OBD2 adapter. There are a lot of apps out there that you can get, like the Torque app, which is pretty inexpensive, that will allow you to pull your own codes. That's super, super useful if you're working on cars on a regular basis. So, and those are not expensive. They're definitely in the gift level of price, and they can be gotten on Amazon all day long. 3, my merch. I don't know if you guys are aware, but I have a Teespring, and it's all car stuff, all the shirts. I have the Enjoy Boost in like a Coke logo shirt. I have the Build Boost Repeat shirt. I've got shirts for Regal GS owners. I've got Bonneville owners covered. I've got Grand Prix GTP shirts. So check those out. And yes, that was absolutely a shameless self-promotion, but you guys should definitely look at that. 4, Rock Auto gift cards. Why Rock Auto? No, they're not sponsoring this video, but the reason why I like Rock Auto and the reason why I think gift cards to Rock Auto are great is they carry a wide variety of parts for all kinds of different cars. And they have basically everything from really cheap stuff all the way up to better name brands. So it has a lot of options there. And I've bought quite a few things for my projects from there. And that's kind of a thing a car guy can always use. And number 5, the most obvious, money. If you don't know what to get the car guy in your life, literally just give him money or like a Visa gift card. Trust me, we're all bleeding money on a regular basis trying to keep these cars on the road. We could use it. However, if the person that you're shopping for happens to be a W-body enthusiast, then the list gets even easier. Here's my top 5 for W-body owners. 1, my merch again. That's right, had to plug it one more time, but go look at my Teespring. 2, a year's supply of Tylenol, cause my God, are we ever constantly having headaches about these cars. 3, ZZP gift certificates. I know some people don't like ZZP, that's fine, but if you're looking for performance parts for W bodies, they're one of the largest sites, so it's a pretty safe bet. 4, at least a couple spare front wheel bearings, because, I mean, if you own a W body, you're gonna need it. And 5, a spare transmission. You can never have enough 4T65Es just sitting around. If you have a GTP, you're gonna need one, so perfect gift idea, right guys? So anyway, I just wanted to touch on a little bit of this. This was just a topic that was on my mind this week. Another video, big reveal video coming out later in the week. So drop this video a like, drop me a comment, and let me know what you're getting for your cars for Christmas this year. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you see the next video. See you in the next one. Thank you so much, and peace. What's up, guys? It is time for another viewer submission. And hey, remember that guy that had the really nice Grand National from the other day? Well, turns out he's got a few more nice Buicks. This is his Buick Regal that he bought from someone off the GS forums and actually is already pre-modified, but he's done some more work to it since then. Quite a list, but just to hit some of the highlights, it does have a 3 1/4 inch pulley, 104 spark plugs, 65-pound injectors, a 255 liter per hour pump, an intake, full ZZP exhaust, and according to him, put down 239 horsepower at the wheels. He said he was basically looking for a good, reliable, modified car with 0 knock, and this one is on the stock transmission, so he's keeping it pretty mild for the moment. But still, a really, really nice example of a GS. So, if you guys would like to have your rides submitted, don't forget to send them to salemsubs@gmail.com, and I will see you guys in the next video.